Once upon a time, in a little village called Happy Hollow, there lived a curious and cheerful squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had big, bright eyes and a bushy tail that always seemed to be swishing with excitement. He loved exploring, and every day was a new adventure for him. One sunny morning, Sammy woke up with a twinkle in his eye. He had heard a rumor from the wise old owl, Olivia, that a magical rainbow had appeared in the enchanted forest. According to Olivia, at the end of this rainbow was the most magnificent treasure of all, a golden acorn. "Today's the day," Sammy chirped to himself. "I'm going to find that golden acorn." Sammy quickly gathered his friends, Benny the bunny, Lila the ladybug, and Timmy the turtle. Together, they packed their tiny backpacks with nuts, berries, and a map. Sammy led the way with his trusty acorn-shaped compass. As they ventured into the enchanted forest, the sun's rays danced through the trees, casting playful shadows on the ground. The friends walked over crunchy leaves and soft moss, feeling the forest's magic around them. After a short while, they reached the first part of their journey, the Giggle Grove, a place where the trees made the sound of laughter whenever the wind blew. "Listen," Lila said, her tiny wings fluttering with excitement. "Do you hear that? The trees are giggling." "Let's giggle back," suggested Benny with a hop. The friends all burst into laughter, echoing through the grove until their tummies ached. Then, Sammy's compass pointed them towards the twinkling stream. This stream wasn't just any stream. At night, the water sparkled like stars because it was home to hundreds of tiny, glowing fish. "How are we going to get across?" wondered Timmy. "We can use that old log as a bridge," Sammy exclaimed, spotting a sturdy log nearby. Carefully, they crossed the twinkling stream, watching the little fish sparkle below them. On the other side, they spotted a cluster of beautiful, bright flowers, the singing blossoms. As they approached, the flowers started to sing a sweet, soothing tune. The friends couldn't help but hum along. Even Timmy, who usually didn't sing, found himself tapping his shell in rhythm. "We must be getting close," Sammy said. His nose twitched with excitement as he checked the map once more. Finally, they arrived at the Rainbow Cliff, where the magical rainbow ended. The cliff was high and offered a breathtaking view of the entire forest. And there, nestled under the vibrant colors of the rainbow, was the dazzling golden acorn. "We found it," Sammy cheered. But as they reached for the golden acorn, a soft, gentle voice spoke. "Congratulations, little friends. You have found my treasure," said the rainbow, shimmering brightly. "Thank you, Rainbow," Lila fluttered closer. "But what makes this acorn so special?" "The golden acorn holds the power of friendship and kindness," the rainbow explained. "Anyone who holds it will be inspired to share and help others." Sammy carefully picked up the acorn. It was warm and glowing with a golden light. "Let's take it back to Happy Hollow. We can use it to make our village the happiest place on earth." On their way home, the friends encountered other animals who needed help. They shared their snacks with a hungry family of birds, helped a lost fawn find its way, and even cheered up a grumpy hedgehog with their giggling game from Giggle Grove. By the time they returned to Happy Hollow, the golden acorn's magic had spread throughout the forest. Everyone was kinder, happier, and full of friendship. Sammy placed the golden acorn in the village square, where it continued to radiate warmth and joy. From that day on, the animals of Happy Hollow worked together, laughed together, and supported each other through thick and thin. And so Sammy and his friends taught the entire village that the greatest treasure of all wasn't gold or jewels, but the magic of kindness and friendship. And they lived happily ever after. The end.